Okay, so we had to take a break here. I guess the thing didn't hold on pause. But you could see the weights aren't set in here right. And the reason I'll show you, here's a new old stock 73 Oldsmobile distributor. And here you can see the weights on this distributor. They're the same exact weights as used on here. And they should be on this way. He had them on this way. So let's see if we can put them back on the correct way. Well, I already know we can't. And the reason we can't, it won't fit. You can see it won't fit. It does fit upside down and backwards. It's beautiful, but the distributor's retarding. And the reason it's retarding is here's the cam from that W-30 69 distributor I borrowed some parts from. And I cleaned it up already, but as you can see here, the cams are different. See where the square hole is? They're opposite each other. Now if you turn this upside down, the profile is exactly right. What I believe this guy did, and I'm not sure what other cars fit it, but I believe he put this together with a Chevrolet weight cam, and it's opposite. Chevrolet runs clockwise, Olds runs counterclockwise. So we're going to turn this off now, and I'm going to take the distributor apart and put the right cam in here, and then we're going to start up again and see if it works correctly. I'll be back in a few. Thank you.